So it's a rainy day here. Just got done rebuilding the rear free hub on my mountain bike. Let's take a look at that. This thing here, I completely sheared two of the teeth off. Ended up having to rebuild the thing. I ended up ordering a replacement free hub, but this is a formula. So the Specialized from 2014 uses they use formula. This is the closest thing that I could find, but it was too short, and I ended up having to just strip the spring out of here and the teeth off. Had to reuse the old one, but got her back operational again, so that's good. I figured while we're here, wife bought me these pedals here for Christmas a few years ago. I've been running the same brand, this Flynn, like FLNN. These things are absolutely amazing. Love them. Look at the abuse that they've taken here. They act as a flat pedal, and I prefer a clipless pedal. I like my feet clipped in. This one here's got a little bit of play. I've rebuilt these multiple times. Figured, well, let's go ahead and put a brand new set on. So that's what we're gonna do today. So they come with these the little standoff posts here. I've already installed them. It comes with a little wrench. It also comes with cleats for your shoes. You don't need to see me putting those in. That's boring. I already got one on the bike already, so let's look at the bike here. So I got one on there now. Put the other one on the other side. So, like I said, I'm going to save these. These are still good. I don't know how many miles I put on these. Probably quite a few. You can see all the rock chews up here from riding down Rocky Ridge. I mean, these pedals take multiple pedal strikes on a regular basis, and they just keep going. So, there's these. I got the Mambas. I couldn't find. These are the Rippers. I couldn't find these. I don't know if they still make these. I'll have to look. I'll look and see and include a link if I can find them. At least there's the website you can get them from. So I'll take and I'll just make sure I snug those up. I'll just make sure they're good and tight before I go for a ride. Make sure they fit my pedals. I already have SPD on my pedals or on my shoes, so I'm gonna save the cleats that came with it and just keep using the ones I've got. They're still good. So yeah, hopefully give these a try, see if they work for you. And if you're looking for a flat pedal and a platform, with a clipless on there. So yep, thank you, have a nice day.